Hello all. In my previous class, I had discussed the different types of methods on time. So in Python time, another one is the calendar time and date, time and calendar. So this calendar module is in the time concept. So the calendar module supplies the calendar related functions. So what are different types of functions we have in the calendar module? First one is the calendar function. So this returns a multiple string with a calendar for year formatted into three columns separated by spaces. Next one is the calendar first weekday. So returns the this first weekday method returns the current setting for the weekday. The start each week by default when calendar is first imported. This is 0 meaning is Monday. Next one is the calendar is leap year. Returns true if the year is a leap year, otherwise false. Next method is the leap days. So returns the total number of leap days in the years within the range. Next one is the month method. This method returns a multiple string with a calendar for the month of the year. Next one is the month calendar, returns the list of units. Next one is the month range. So returns the two integer. First one is the code of weekdays. Next one is the PR call, that is the list like the print calendar year wise. Next one is the print month, prints the calendar month. Next one is the set first weekday, sets the first day of the each weekday. Code weekday, weekend codes are 0 Monday to Saturday. 0 is 0 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 2 for Wednesday, like this. 6 for Sunday. As on the calendar time g means the inverse of time dot gm accept the time instant in tuple format and returns the same instant as a floating point number of seconds since the approach. Next one is the weekday, returns the weekdays code for a given day. Week codes are 0 to Sunday and month numbers are 1 to 12. This will display on the output screen when we use the calendar methods on a program. So this is the concept on the time and date in the Python. So in the next class I shall discuss the functions in the Python. So what is meant by function and how can we use functions in Python. So please subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech and like my videos. Thank you.